we're going to put together the hexagon table. There are 2 side pieces for the walls, 3 supports pieces for the center, and 1 hexagon tabletop. First thing I'm going to do is put double-sided tape on the insides of the walls. So there are 2 pieces for the walls, so we need 2 strips of tape. This side. Remove the tops of the tape to expose the sticky end. And then with the flaps on either side, place the white part of the flap onto the double-sided sticky tape. Press down to make sure that it sticks pretty well. Fold the other side over. Press down the other side. Turn this around. Press down the inside. Now I'm going to fold in the tabs at the top and bottom. The tabs are scored on the inside of the cardboard. The top. The tabs on the bottom are larger than the tabs on the top. Now I'm going to put it down and give it our hexagon shape. For the center supports, there are 3 pieces. One of the pieces has a larger opening than the other 2. And this is so that you can slide the smaller pieces into the larger piece and fold it back. Take the second piece and do the same thing. Just fold it back. So now you have 6 legs of support that will fit into the base. It might be easier to put the supports in a little bit folded up and then stretch out the legs to fit each of the 6 corners. So once you have your support legs fitted into the base, grab the hexagon top and fold the tabs down so that they fit into the base. Push the top down nice and firm into the base. Now it's nice and sturdy in the middle and your table is done.